Hi, I'm happy to show you how to draw a fox face today. It's kind of like a portrait of a fox, the head and the shoulders, like a school portrait, but of a fox. So we're going to still focus on the center line and making the project symmetrical so that we can get the scale and proportion right, like we talked about before. So you're going to see that I took my paper and I just gently folded it a little bit the long skinny way and gently folded it a little bit the shorter and fatter way, and it gives me these guidelines that I'm going to talk about in this video. So make sure you have the guidelines before you start drawing. Remember, you can always pause this video. You're going to want to use a pencil so you can erase. Draw lightly so that it's easy to erase. I'm going to use a Sharpie so it really shows up on the screen. Now I have this centerfold here and I have this centerfold here. What you're going to do first for this drawing is right on the centerfold, you're going to do a rainbow shape. This is the middle line. You can kind of see it in the video. The rainbow goes right on the middle line. It's not touching the edge here and it's not touching the edge here, but it's pretty close. Now the next thing you're going to do is right on that middle line, do a mini rainbow. Right on this middle line, do a mini rainbow. Just kind of looks like a rainbow with clouds starting right now. Then we're going to hook in. So it's just these two tufts of fur. Out, rainbow. So it's kind of like an out and in motion. 3 tufts of fur going out this way, 3 tufts of fur going out this way. Okay? So we kind of have this strange shape that looks like it came from the Lorax movie, but it didn't. Now, what I want you to do next is do this strange U shape down here. That's the pointy snout of the fox. Then, right on this center line, you're going to go flat center line, curve down. It doesn't connect to here, but it almost does. So watch this. Flat center line, curve down. It's like you're trying to connect it to there, but you don't really need to. Then you're going to do a U shape and keep a reflection bubble. Do a U shape and keep a reflection bubble. Now we know that the fox is looking to the side, like the Fantastic Mr. Fox does a lot. So I'm going to color all this in, but not that reflection bubble. I like to have a highlight in my eye. So I'm coloring this in. Now you could color this in brown. It doesn't have to be black like my Sharpie. That's just what I'm using now. Now to show that this is the nose, you're going to do a little bit of a curve, and it's sort of an oval shape. I keep a reflection on that too because it's a shiny wet nose. If you ever notice a dog's nose is a little bit shiny and wet, we're going to do that here. Okay? Starting to look like a fox, but it's a bald fox. He needs ears. So we're going to go, it's a rounded triangle here and another one inside of it. Now this would be the light fur color and this would be the red fox color. If you want to get fancy, when you do this in here, you could kind of make it a little jaggy. It's hard to see that on the video, so that it looks more like hair. Now you're going to do a kind of jaggy line down towards the corners. That's his shoulders. And now curve, curve. This is white. This is white. Red, 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 red. It's kind of an orangish color more than red. Then you want to do a horizon line. Does it have a tree in the background? Does it have a tree house? Does it have a factory? Is it something like Fantastic Mr. Fox's world? Or is it more natural? Is it snowy? Is there a mountain like the foxes that were filmed in the Alps? You decide. Have fun. Make sure you color it all in, take a picture, and upload it so I can see it. Bye.